Something is cutting off the ends of my magnolia branches in my front yard. I have not observed this in the 10 years I've lived here. We have no shortage of squirrels, but I have not seen them do this in person. Any ideas how and why this is happening? Thanks, and this is Ruth from East Memphis, Tennessee. So yeah, good pictures there. Magnolia branches all over the place on the ground.
They're around my house too.
So you know about that, huh?
She's right.
Squirrels.
It's squirrels.
It's squirrels.
They're making nests this time, and you know they're not that good. You know, they can't always remember to grab the branch that they're cutting, and sometimes it falls down to the ground. That's what you see there. But think of it this way: Mother Nature is pruning your tree for you.
Hey, just a little pruning.
It's a little pruning.
You might not like it, but it's a little pruning.
A little more work for you to pick up, but it'll be all right.
It'll be fine.
And it'll stop soon.
Yeah, pick up those branches, of course.
Yeah.
You know, dispose of those. But yeah, just a little pruning
Just
by
Mother
squirrels.
Nature.
Just trying to make nests. So there you have it, Miss Ruth. No need to do anything else. Don't worry about it. If you want to do the trapping method, yeah, you can do that, but you have to be patient and persistent with that. But I wouldn't worry about that.
No,
I wouldn't worry about that. So there you have it. Just a little pruning by squirrels. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.